In this video, I'll show you how to close your Wise account. Step 1. Prepare for closure. Withdraw all money from each of your balances, jars and investments. Wait for pending card payments and transfers to complete. Download your statements and transfer receipts for future reference. Step 2. Remove linked cards and bank accounts. Unlink any saved cards and bank details by removing them from your account settings. Step 3. Go to account settings. Open Wise app or website, click your profile or business name at the top and select settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Find and select close account. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page. Click close account. If you have both personal and business accounts, close each account separately. Step 5. Confirm closure and reason. Choose a reason for closing your account, then confirm your request. Enter your password if prompted to complete the process. Step 6. Contact support if you encounter issues. If you're unable to close the account, you can contact Wise support for further assistance. You can also leave a link in the comments down below and I'll try to help you. After account closure, Wise retains basic information for legal reason, but deletes what's not required by regulation. You can reactivate your account by logging in if you closed it by mistake. Once closed, you lose access to your account activity, statements, and cards. And that's how you close your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments.